In today's video, we are going to talk about how to install Android Studio on Ubuntu 20.04 LTS. Myself Mohammad Zubair, and this channel is all about showing you how to become a highly paid IT pro really fast. So without any further ado, let's get started. Well, to install Android Studio, you must install Java first because Java is the prerequisite of Android development. So first of all, I'll open my terminal, and in here I'll show you that how you can install the Java JDKs into your Ubuntu. But before that, we need to go to the Oracle website to download the JDK. So I'll open my Firefox, and in here I will just write Java JDK download, hit enter. The first link is from the Oracle. Just click on it. Here you will have all the information about JDKs, and these are the JDKs that are available in terms of Linux. Well, obviously we are going to download this one for Debian, so you just need to click on this link. In your case, it might ask you to sign in or log in to your Oracle account, and only then you will be able to download this one. Well, I have already downloaded it, so I will not download it again. In my terminal, I will go to my downloads directory and we'll see what do we have there. So here we have Java JDK with the name of JDK 14.0.2. I am going to install this version. To install this version, we need to write a command, and the command is sudo dpkg -i, and after that you just need to write the name of the JDK. So I will just write here JDK and I will press tab, and it will take rest of the name on its own. Just hit enter, give it your password, again hit enter. Now the process has just begun. After that, we need to run some commands, and I will add all of those commands in the description of this video as well. I have written those commands here as well. So here I have my file. After you are done with the first command, you need to run this second command. So I'll go back to my terminal. Here it is. I will just paste this one, and make sure that you enter the right version of your JDK that you have downloaded. So I have downloaded the Java JDK 14.0.2. That is why I will write this and hit enter. Now we need to run one more command, but this time we will replace Java with Java C. Rest of the command will remain same. So I will just write here Java C, and I'll do the same with this one, hit enter, and we are good to go. Now let's see if we have Java installed or not. So I will just write here Java space --, version, hit enter. So as you can see, the Java has been installed with the version 14.0.2. Let's see if Java C is installed or not. Yes, Java C is also installed into our system. Now we need to run some more commands in order to make everything work. So first of all, I'll run this command. As you can see, we only have one alternative. So we'll see, and we'll set some environment variables for Java Home. To do so, I will use this command. So I will just paste this command, hit enter. It will open a file like this in front of you. In this file, write a new line with the name Java Home, although I have already done that. Basically, this is the variable name for your environment variable, which is Java_home. After that, this is the path where you will have your environment variable. Basically, if I go back to my terminal, this is the path that we are talking about. So you can simply copy this one and you can simply paste it inside the inverted commas, and you are good to go. After you are done with this one, click on save and close this file. After you are done with this command and adding your environment variable, we need to refresh this path. The command for that is source space /etc/environment. Just press tab and it will take the rest of the command, hit enter. Now let's print this path. The command for that is echo space $Java_home. Make sure you write the same name of the variable that you have given when you were having your environment variable. So I will just press enter. So this is the path where we have installed our Java. So we are done with installing our Java and creating its environment variable. Now it means we are done with the prerequisite, and now we should go ahead and install the Android Studio into our Ubuntu. So I'll just close this file, And now I'll go back to my Mozilla Firefox, and this time I will just write here download Android Studio and hit enter. The first website is the official one from Android, so just click on this one. So from here, the first button is to download for Linux, as we are using the Linux, and this is the version which is 2021.1.1. So I'll just click on this download button, and after that it might ask you to agree with the terms and conditions. So scroll down, agree with it, and then you will be able to download your Android Studio. I will just click on it and the download process will just begin. Well, basically I have already downloaded it, so I will not do it again. In your case, just go with save file, click OK, and it will download this Android Studio into your downloads directory. I will stop this one, and now I will take you to the directory where I have downloaded my Android Studio. I will close this one. I'll open my files. I'll go to my downloads, and here I have my Android Studio. To install Android Studio, I will use Snap. Let me go back to my home directory. I'll clear my terminal. Well, Snap is basically a package management system, and it helps you to download and manage your different software. So first of all, let's find the Android Studio. As you can see, it is in zip file. So Snap will find this on its own and will be able to install it directly. So I will just write here snap find space, and inside the inverted commas write the name of Android Studio. So I will just write here Android-Studio. After that, just hit enter. It will look for the Android Studio in my system, and here I have two things, Android Studio and Android Studio Canary. Well, obviously I want to install Android Studio, that is why I will just write here sudo snap install space Android-Studio space hyphen or dash classic, because we want to go with the classic under the notes. After that, hit enter. It will do some processes and it will download some files for our Android Studio, and then we'll move ahead. So we are done with this command. Now let's see if we have Android Studio GUI available or not. So I will just press my super key and I will write here Android, and here we have Android Studio. So I will just open this one. Just close your terminal because we do not need it anymore. So the process has just begun. So from here, click on next, as we have some missing SDKs. Do not worry, we will download it while the installation process. So just click on next, and this is the Android SDK that will get downloaded and installed. Click on next again, and these are some files and some packages that we need to download. And do not worry, these will also get downloaded and installed during the process. So just click on next. From here, scroll down till the end, or click on accept just, and then click on the second directory. Again, click on accept. Only then you will be able to have your finish button here. Click on this finish button, and now the process has just begun. It will take a little bit of time to complete everything and download it. So we will wait for it and then we'll move ahead. So we are done here with downloading every components, and every component has been installed into our Ubuntu for our Android Studio. It means we are good to go. So I'll just click on finish, and now my Android Studio will get launched for the first time. From here, you can create your new project or you can open an existing one. But in case if you want to go with the new project, just click on this button. From here, you need to select the type of activity that you want to go with. For example, I'm going to create an application that will include Google Maps. For that purpose, I need to go with Google Maps activity. Then we have Google Pay activity and a lot of options in terms of selecting an activity. But I'll stick with empty one. So just click on it, click on next, and from here you just need to give a name to your project. I will name it as skills build training, and after that just click on finish. It will load everything out and it will then present everything in front of us. For the first time, it will take some time to load and build your Gradle, so be patient and wait for it. As you can see, it says loading, so it means it is downloading all those components, all those packages and everything that is needed to run your Android application and let you to develop one. So this is the main activity file. Basically, in this file, you will have your business logics. And here we have activity main, .xml. In this file, you will design your UI for your Android application. This is the task that requires the most patience from you because it will download a lot of things and then it will build your Gradle as you are using your Android Studio for the first time. So sit back and relax and let it do everything on its own. And after that, I'll move ahead and I'll show you some more things. So we are done with building our Gradle and everything is loaded up. So from here, you can add different text views, button, images, fragments, scroll, and many other things. Here you have other categories like text, buttons, widgets, layouts, and a lot more. Well, you will get everything in here that you see in any Android application. So in short, you are ready to develop your first Android application and you have everything that is necessary to build one. And with that, we are done for today's video and we have seen that how we can download and install the Android Studio along with its prerequisite, which is Java JDK. So please leave a like, subscribe and press the bell icon. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.